Hello students, I am Prakash sir from Ramakrishna Vivekananda Vidyalaya. I am here once again with your subject English, chapter 3rd. This chapter is all about the poem The Brave Little Kite. The writer of this poem, Catherine Hale, he inspires us through this poem to rise up. That means don't get afraid, don't be afraid whatever you are going to do, because if you have a courage, if you have a determination, surely you will be a successful person. So let's see through this poem how he tries to inspire us, how he wants to tell about a little kite. Beginning, he hesitates. Hesitation always comes when you have a fear. So get rid of the fear. Get rid of the fear. You will be a successful person. Now let's start from the 6th lines of this poem. I never can do it, the little kite said, as he looked at the others high over his head. I know I should fall if I tried to fly. Try, said the big kite, only try. Or I fear you never will learn at all. But the little kite said, I am afraid I'll fall. As I said, the meaning of afraid. Afraid means a lack of courage. Afraid means a lack of courage. In these 6 lines, a little kite, when he sees the big kite is flying up, he also tries to go up, but he has a fear. He gets afraid to rise up. When he rises up and looks down, he gets frightened. Because it was the first time for the small kite to go higher. That's why he said, I know I should fall if I try to fly. He has kind of frightened that if he goes up, he will fall down. The big kite also said, or I fear you never learn at all. When the big kite inspired us, force it to fly up, but he did not, because he has a fear. So big kite says, I think that you will never go up. You will never go up. Why? Because you have no courage. That's why he says, I fear you never will learn to fly to all. But the little kite said, I am afraid I'll fall. The little kite says, I am afraid if I fly up, because I have no experience. Now the second paragraph. The big kite nodded, well, goodbye. Nodded. Do you know the meaning of nodded? Nodded means to put your head up and down with acceptance. The big kite nodded, well, goodbye, I am off, and he rose towards the tranquil sky. Tranquil. What is the meaning of tranquil? Tranquil means a peaceful environment, and that is the sky. When we look up the sky, we will see a very calm atmosphere, peaceful atmosphere. So big kite says, okay, I think you have no courage, you will not fly up. So I am going off. I am going off means I am going. And he rose towards the tranquil sky. And he went up to the peaceful or calm sky. Then the little kite's paper stirred at the sight. Stirred just like shivering with some kind of sound. Dear students, जब आप पतंग उड़ाते होंगे तो आपका पेपर का पतंग होता होगा, तो जब हवा तेज आती है, जब उसको उड़ाते होंगे तो उसमें से फर 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 आवाज आती होगी, वही आवाज, वही stirred at the sight. So then the little kites, when the little kites saw that the big kite is gone off, he left the hope from my parts. The little one stirred at the sight. Sight means drishya. Sight means the atmosphere or the scene that what we see. Then the little kite's paper stirred at the sight, and trembling he shook himself free for flight. When it looks the front part of the sky, he got shivering, but he push up from itself and bit more high it goes. Dear students, now the third stanza, the poem Brave Little Kite. Now the writer, the Catherine Perry, says, first whirling and frightened, then bravely grow. At the beginning, when the small kite tries to fly up, he has got the shivering, the frightened, the fear inside. Up he rose through the air alone. With a little hesitation, goes up, though he has got the fear, but the word of the big kite always entered in its ear. That's why it's going up with the fear. Till the big kite looking down could see. The first, he tries to go up with the fear, but slowly, gradually, he tries to picks up the speed going up into the sky. And it did not look down until it reaches near the big kite. The little one rises steadily, but once it looked down, it shows that it is above the big kite. The steadily means the gradually proceeding without shaking, बिना डर का, बिना कोई कंपन का, लगातार continuously वो ऊपर बढ़ रहा था. Then how the little kite thrilled with the pride. Once it looked that I am above the big kite, he has got a kind of happiness in his heart, and it felt very bright that I have flown up into the sky. The thrill means the pleased and happy. As he said with the big kite side by side, while far below he could see the ground, and the boys like small spots moving around. Once it came together or came near or came side by side to the big kite, the kind of proudness, the kind of strength grew in its heart and felt pride to fly side by side with the big kite. And when it looks from the out to the down, the land, the boys, all the other kinds of the things were seen just like a small spot in the land. That's why the last line it says that, and the boys like small spots moving around. The boys, that means mans or the people, were looking just like a spot or insect, just like an insect moving around. Now the last paragraph. The Catherine Pellet wants to indicates through this poem. Says, they rested high in the quiet air, and only the birds and clouds never there. Oh, how happy I am, the little kite cried, and all because I was brave and tried. When this small kite was in the high up the sky with the big kite, it was a kind of happiness just around the atmosphere, the big and the small kite, that they rested high in the quiet air, and only the birds and the clouds were there, and they saw that only the birds are moving around them. Except birds, nothing could be seen by the small kite. Oh, how happy I am, the little kite cried. And then it grows a lot of confidence, a lot of courage, and felt happy that I am succeeded. I am flown away. I am flying in the sky, and cried, and all because I was brave and tried. And with the happiness, it cried loudly that I have won on our fear, and I have tried it, I have done, I have flown away. So dear students, through this poem, the Catherine Pellet, the writer, wants to indicate, wants to inspire us to rise up. Don't get frightened. Nothing is impossible for you. Everything is everything possible. You can do, but once you have to get rid from your fear. So dear students, the PDF of this chapter is already sent to you. You have to go through your exercises. Be safe. Be at home. Thank you.